Hello, my name is Jason and I'm with the Eastern Oklahoma Library System. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to get started using the Libby app on your mobile device. Using the Libby app in your library card, you will have access to eBooks, audiobooks, and magazines. Let's get started. I will be demonstrating using Libby on an Android device. The screens seen in this video should be similar across all mobile devices, including phones and tablets. At this point, I've already downloaded the Libby app from the App Store and have opened the app. This is my first time opening the Libby app, so I have to answer a series of one-time only setup questions. Go ahead and tap the I'll search for a library option. Tap the search box and type Eastern Oklahoma. Tap the matching library which appears first in this list, Eastern Oklahoma Library System. Tap Enter Library Account Details. Then enter your 14-digit number found on your library card, starting with the numbers 2313. Then tap Sign In. Go ahead and click Next. From this point forward, unless you delete the Libby app and reinstall the app, you should be able to open Libby to this browsing screen without having to log in again. As I scroll down, I see different collections of items like Available Now, which shows me items that are currently not in use by someone else and can be borrowed without waiting. Further down, I reach a subject-specific section. For this demonstration, I will tap the Thriller section and then browse for an ebook to borrow. I will then tap the Borrow link. Notice that I can borrow this ebook for 14 days. I will then tap the Borrow button. Now the ebook is checked out to me. I can click the Open Book link to start reading this book. As always, if you need assistance using any online library service, contact your local EOLS library. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.